Hey man, it's a clean Fox body. Why is your steering wheel on the wrong side?
It's an import Fox body.
I must think that sounds nasty.
One day, I must Ella swap first, and then 5 for the horsepower Evo, and then maybe one of these. Panda. Oh shit, man. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Panda. I can now cross it off my bucket list. Walk under a GTR. You rebuilt this thing, right?
Yeah. I didn't build the lift though, so you know.
Well, yes, of course not.
All your faith in that is placed in someone else.
Oh man, you got a little dump.
I didn't buy a cheap one.
This is not lowest bidder technically acceptable.
No.
As they would say in the government.
Yeah.
Real deal. Nope. No BTA. Like your downpipe where you're... Yeah, it's still on there. Your dump tube?
The dump tube?
It might just survive after all.
Yeah, a couple months ago I built the downpipe and the screamer pipe for the wastegate. And I told him that the wastegate was going to fall off, so bring it back.
Cool.
It hasn't fallen off yet, and he hasn't brought it back. Well, not for that.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm halfway tempted to have the exhaust coming out the hood of the S10. Like, I don't know. I'm on the fence about it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Hey man, race
Keep
truck.
it quiet. Why does everybody want to be loud all the
Man,
time?
screw that. I'm sweet bald eagles, man.
The only reason you should be loud is you're lopey.
Oh, it's gonna lope a little bit, man. Not as bad as that Corvette, but it's gonna lope a little bit. I'm gonna just tell people, hey man, it's missing a little bit.
I don't think this car's ever been dirtier and you're like filming it.
I know, man, this is filthy. But you know what? I still drive it, man. Bring
I would too.
the Skyline, man.
It's the only place it's rust, and I don't even think it's bad. It's just surface shit.
Rust?
I never even seen that. Yeah, man.
You see that?
Well, there's 2 panels there, so you can see that water gets behind the panel. If it's gonna rust anywhere, it's gonna be right in these spots where
You, sir,
surface rusting.
should be ashamed of yourself.
But it'll be okay. It's in the desert now.
Be like that for 100 years.
Yeah, exactly. As
Yeah.
long as it stays here, it'll never be a problem.
All those Japanese bald eagles. Well, I don't know.
For the spider?
No, I don't care about that. Being a spider anybody.
Maybe he left today. He got a little web going on. It's all connected to the sway bar and everything. It's still intact.
Hey, so what's in for the future of this thing, man? Are you done with it or what? You doing anything else to it?
I mean, no, just keeping it alive.
Keeping it alive? So how hard it is to keep it alive? I mean, realistically.
Well, the next thing to go will be the the clutch, and then after the clutch, it'll be the transmission, and then after the transmission, it'll be the front diff. So,
Center diff. Maybe front diff.
yeah, maybe center diff, maybe front
So
diff.
it's a lifestyle, an investment.
I think the clutch will be next,
Okay.
and then third gear. Then we'll see after that.
Awesome.
Hey man, I put 3 transmissions in my stupid GTR,
Yeah.
so it's just one of those things. They break. They don't break.
Man.
It's like the drain plug on my
Until next time.
within